students, welcome back to your English grammar class. In my previous session I started with this chapter present perfect tense and helped you complete exercise A and B. Today we will be continuing with exercise C. Before that, let's see the sentence structure of a yes no type question. Whenever you are trying to frame a yes no type question, by default the helping verb comes before the subject, right? Always. Plus here the verb is in the third form and other words. Why the verb is in the third form? Because we are converting it into present perfect tense. Okay, so again with I, we, you and they we use have, and with he, she we use has, and with everything verb in the third form, other words and question mark. See exercise C. Fill in the blanks with have, has and then change the sentence into yes no type question. First you have to make it into a positive sentence, then change it into a yes no type question. All the students dash submitted their assignment. So there is a subject, verb in the third form, other words. So what is missing? Yes, we need to put a helping verb. So what we will put with all the students? Have or has? Have. So all the students have submitted their assignment, and this same sentence you have to convert it into yes no type. So have all the students submitted their assignment. We'll put this helping verb before the subject. Students, you can try doing the remaining ones on your own. Moving on to the next sentence structure, interrogative sentence, WH type question. Again with WH type question, with she, he, we use has, and I, they, you and we use have. Okay, and again verb in the third form and other words. So see the exercise D. Change the following sentence into interrogative form using the WH word given in the brackets. See the first one. The gardener has planted 5 new plants in our garden. Who? We have to use the word who and make a sentence. So who has planted 5 new plants in our garden? Simple. You should frame a sentence in such a way that the above line should be as your answer. So instead of the gardener, we've put who. Who has planted 5 new plants in our garden. You can try doing the remaining ones on your own. Moving on to the last exercise for today, interrogative negative sentence. So in interrogative negative sentence, again helping verb first plus subject, but we need to put not in between the subject and the verb in the third form and other words. Okay, so let's see exercise E. Change the following into interrogative negative form of the present perfect tense. Interrogative negative form of the present perfect tense. Okay, so first, the data collected by the satellite is available with the NASA only. So here what we will put? We'll be adding has. Has the data collected by the satellite not been available with the NASA only? Okay, so we have put the helping verb has over here in this sentence to make it into a present perfect tense and into an interrogative negative form. You can try doing the remaining ones on your own. So students, for your task for today is to complete exercise C, exercise D and exercise E. And with this we finish our chapter. And if you all have any doubts, you all can contact me. Thank you.